Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam and today we are going to update the maps on MMI 3G Plus unit to 6.31.1. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to publish more weekly updates on AppGameAudio.net. Enjoy the video. We are going today to update the maps on MMI 3G Plus unit, the current version. In my case, it's the 6.30.1. To do the maps update, I'm gonna use the pen drive, the flash memory. But to do that, I also need the AMI to USB cable, which in my case will be going to the AMI port in the glove box, just over there. You can also perform the update by using the SD card slot. I'm just prefer the flash memory because the update should be a bit faster than via the SD card. How to prepare the SD card or the memory stick, please check the links in the description below the video, as we do have many tutorials how to prepare the SD cards or the flash memory, so I will not repeat that process on that video. Okay, so I'm gonna attach the cable, the AMI cable over there with the USB stick, and we'll be back to you in a second. Okay, so the cable is already attached to the AMI port over there. Is going over here, and now from the MMI we need to access the hidden green menu. If you've never been in the hidden green menu in your car, please check the links in the description below the video, as you have there described the method on how to activate the access to that menu. Once you activate the access, you just need to press together menu and the car buttons. And like you see, the green menu is just loading now. Also, if you've never been in that menu, it might be quite tricky to get there on the first time, as not every MMI buttons are quite responsive, and on some cars they might be just sticky, and you must be sure that those buttons are pressed together. From the green menu, we need to remove the old navigation data. To do that, we need to go to the nav section, database update, and delete database. And like you see on the information, please wait at least 30 seconds, then restart the system. So we're gonna wait now. Okay, I think we can just reboot the MMI. To do that, you need to press the menu, central knob, and the top right silver button together, and the MMI just rebooting now. Okay, so from the green menu we need to scroll down to the SWDL tab, and we need to select the user defined mode, because we're gonna perform the update as a user defined, because we need to select the maps update manually. To exit that green menu, just simply press, for example, the media button, And to perform the update, we need to go to the red engineering menu. Do not go to the setup MMI and system update because it doesn't work from here. We need to enter the red engineering menu. To do that, we need to press together, press and hold together back and car buttons. There's only that way to perform the update. And also it might be quite tricky because sometimes you can just jump to the car menu or just do nothing. I prefer to press back car, and you see just jumping to the car option. Let's try again. Back and car. After 5 tests I'm just getting to that menu. Alright, so then we go to the bottom right corner, enter the update. Just need to press that silver button. Then we are selecting USB because I'm using that AMI to USB cable. If you are using the SD, make sure that you select the correct SD1 or SD2, depends where you insert your maps update. We are using the USB, so select the USB, and now just need to wait. For that one, like you see, there is EC 631.1. That's the Europe maps. For the America or Canada will be a NAR and some numbers. Also need to wait a few seconds until we read the meta info file from SD card. Okay, now we need to select the user defined option. From here we need to find the Audi MMI 3G ECE. For USA or Canada there will be Audi MMI 3G NAR instead of that ECE. So let's go inside, and here we need to select every option, but remember to select only application, do not touch the bootloader. In each option only application. You can also select the Navi persistent, but like you see there is no changes. So don't need to do that map style, they will be by default. And just can scroll down and press the update. Update must not be interrupted. Let's start. And the update process will continue after reboot. The whole update process will take around up to 1.5 hours. If you do not trust your car battery, I recommend to start the engine, or you can connect the external charger. And the maps update process just start. Okay, I'm gonna back to you when it finished. Let's see at what time I'm start process. It's at 5:30, and we'll see how long it's gonna take by using the USB method. Right, so we are nearly to finish the maps update, which already took 1.5 hours. The MMI is now rebooting. and we'll see what happened next. Okay, so maps update has just finished. We got the summary screen right now, and you can see the Audi MMI 3G ECE update has been done. There is OK, map style OK, TMC config OK. You can just continue. Here just we need to click cancel documentation, and now there is the final reboot. Also, if you are doing the maps update on the first time, now you will need to activate the maps. I will just leave the link in the description below the video how to do that. In another update, if you get them from us, from upgrademyaudi.net, you don't need to activate the maps, as they should be activated already. I mean, the activation is saved in the MMI firmware, so don't need to do that again. If you get from another source, you might need to activate them again. So let's go to the nav. There's the initialization navigation screen. And we are on the latest maps right now. You can check the version from the setup MMI, version information. And here we go, here we have the navigation database version ECE 6.31.1. And like I mentioned, that's the latest for today, latest Europe maps. Everything looks like it works fine, there is no problem with the maps. Okay guys, all important links you will find in the description below the video. How to prepare the SD cards on Windows based computers, also on the Mac OS, how to activate the maps, and detailed instructions about the maps installation with the photos. So I hope that will help you to make your own maps upgrade on MMI 3G Plus and 3G High units, because it's the same. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you wish more weekly updates on upgrademyaudi.net, and see you in the next movie.